If you're staring at a dead outdoor unit while the house turns into an oven, you don't need a sales pitch. I spent years as a nuclear power electrician before putting in 17 years in the HVAC trenches. Today, we are putting two ducted split air conditioners into the ring. The MRCOOL ProDirect HVAC15 versus the RunTru A5AC5. Both the MRCOOL ProDirect HVAC15 and the RunTru A5AC5 utilize slotted panel construction. In the field, we call this the middle ground between a flimsy wire grill and a heavy-duty louvered panel. Slotted panels provide rigid support and block larger debris, but leave more coil exposed than a premium louvered wrap. Efficiency is where the gap opens up with the MRCOOL at 14.3 SEER2 and the RunTru up to 16 SEER2. Both use a single-stage scroll compressor with a high inrush current you can hear as a thump at startup. RunTru's higher efficiency generally moves more heat per watt, easing load on your electrical panel and bill over summer. For equipment alone, expect about $1,650 for a MRCOOL 3-ton condenser and around $1,950 for the RunTru. With professional installation, MRCOOL usually totals $4,800 to $6,200, while RunTru averages $5,800 to $7,500. The best equipment will fail if you don't keep the coils clean. Use a low-pressure garden hose once a year to wash cottonwood and dust from behind those slotted panels. The warranty battle is interesting. RunTru offers a 10-year parts and compressor warranty once registered. MRCOOL matches 10-year parts and compressor coverage, but adds a specific unit replacement warranty if the compressor fails early. If the heart of the system dies early, MRCOOL may give you a whole new outdoor unit instead of just a part swap. The winner is the RunTru A5AC5 for long-term duty cycle and engineering. RunTru's jump to 16 SEER2 and Trane-built all aluminum coil resists formicary corrosion that kills many budget units. While MRCOOL's replacement guarantee is a good safety net, I'd rather have a unit engineered not to need it. For homeowners who want the highest efficiency and most reliable lineage, the RunTru is the smarter investment for 2026. Shop like a pro and use the head-to-head tool on HVACforbeginners.com before you buy.